Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Audi A4 wheel nut covers. First, ensure your car is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. You'll need the specific plastic removal tool, often found in your car's toolkit. This tool is designed to prevent damage to the covers or your wheels. We'll go through each step carefully, making this a simple task for anyone. Let's get started with the right preparation. Now let's get to the actual removal. Take your plastic removal tool and carefully insert its hooked end into the small notch on the side of the wheel nut cover. Apply gentle, steady pressure, pulling the cover straight outwards. Avoid twisting or forcing it, as this could damage the cover or the wheel nut itself. Once one is off, repeat this simple action for the remaining 4 covers on that wheel. It's quite straightforward. To make this process even smoother, here are a few pro tips. Always work slowly and apply consistent, gentle pressure when prying the covers off. Rushing can lead to scratches or even breaking the plastic. Once removed, keep your wheel nut covers in a safe, designated spot so they don't get lost. Before putting them back on, a quick wipe of the wheel nuts can prevent dirt from getting trapped. This ensures a clean fit. Reinstalling the covers is just as easy. Simply align each cover with its corresponding wheel nut and press it firmly into place until you hear a satisfying click. Double-check that all 5 covers are securely seated and flush with the wheel. This ensures they won't fall off while driving. Remember, a little care goes a long way in maintaining your Audi's appearance. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.